What are you going to prepare for us today, Chef Audrey? Do you remember what it's called?
No.
I think it was called Audrey's Snack Mix.
Audrey's Snack.
How do you make Audrey's Snack Mix?
First, you put in the cereal. Vanilla cereal.
Oh, I thought I smelled a good smell.
It's got vanilla cereal. And I like eating it. Yep, because that's your favorite cereal. Me too. And I'm going to have my recipe too.
Okay, let's see what Chef Audrey's going to put in the bowl next.
And then we're going to put strawberries in.
Yum.
Second, we're going to put raisins. I like
Good
raisins.
math
I
words.
like raisins. I like raisins. Hey, those are raisins.
Oh.
Oh, raisins.
Oh dear.
Those are raisins. I want those raisins.
Mrs. Flynn forgot to put out the spoon.
Get that. Got it.
Good job. Ooh, it's a big pink spoon.
Then we mix it.
Ooh. Sometimes chefs stir a little crazy and things jump out of the bowl.
Well, I hope I practiced, but then I didn't. I think I put too much.
Oh, you are good at stirring. You must help in the kitchen.
You're a bad stirrer.
And what do you do next?
Stir it.
What do you do after the stirring is all done?
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat
Oh, she needs something else.
You have that spin out.
I hope my audience is being respectful right now.
That's the spoon.
She knows just what to do.
There we go. Then we get cereal. Then put it in.
Yum. Oh, she actually drinks it. How does it taste, Chef Audrey? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Is it crunchy?
Go.
How many thumbs up do you think it deserves?
It's good.
Is it like extra good for 2 thumbs? Yeah, 2 thumbs up. Boys and girls, Audrey used very, very good vocabulary. Good job. Let's give her a round of applause.